हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द कीस्टोन रियल एस्टेट एडवाइजरी। सो आज मैं आपको एक ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट का ओवरलुक देने वाली हूँ जो आता है नियर बाय वेस्टर्न एक्सप्रेस हाईवे गोरेगांव ईस्ट में बाय द ट्रस्टेड डेवलपर प्रथा एंड द प्रोजेक्ट नेम इज कोड नेम 0। So before talking about the project, let's talk about what is Keystone. It is India's most trusted customer-centric real estate advisory company which will be offering you end-to-end home buying services जहाँ पे आपको मिल जाता है expert guidance, multiple options और best pricing आपके सपनों के घर के लिए. So if you think property, think Keystone. So before talking about the project overview, so first we will take a look at our sample flat. So watch this video till the end. So this is a 2 BHK sample flat of Pratha, codename 0. So आइए हम अब बढ़ते हैं आपकी लिविंग रूम की तरफ जो आता है spacious living room with the view of RA. And this side will be your dining area. So now moving towards to our kitchen. So this will be a double platform kitchen. This will be space for your washing machine area. And this will be the space for your refrigerator. So चलिए मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ common bedroom. So this will be your spacious common bedroom. आप देख सकते हैं काफी spacious है. This will be your common bedroom. So चलिए अब इसका देखते हैं common washroom. And this side will be your common washroom. Now moving towards to our master bedroom. So this will be your master bedroom. With the attached washroom. So now let's talk about the configuration of this project. The carpet area starts from 460 till we have the carpet of 1100. And the pricing starts from 1.08 CR onwards. So let's talk about the amenities. You will get 20 plus modern amenities like gymnasium, kids play area, banquet hall, senior citizen garden and many more. So now talking about the connectivity, you will get all the infrastructure connectivity within a meters, not in kilometers, like Western Express Highway, railway station, metro station, SV road and many more. So what are you waiting for? If you like this project and want to know more details about this project, just call on this number which is displayed on your screen, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel Keystone Real Estate Advisory for daily and weekly updates on real estate. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.